Hello there, and this is a quick introduction to Blender, but the thing that I want to show you is the how to make it a little bit more like Unity, so it doesn't drive you bonkers. Like, for example, using the mouse key, the arrow keys to go up and down and left and right, and using the middle mouse key to rotate. So let's put in N, bring up screencast keys so you can see what I'm pressing. So arrow keys, left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, down arrow, and the defaults for these are to do with animation, but of course if you're just doing modeling you don't need animation, and it's not a priority anyway. So and my middle mouse button is the right bracket. So now if I do control and middle mouse, I can rotate. Alt to middle mouse. I'm not sure what the shift is, it's conflicting with something. But being able to press control and middle mouse and just do this is just great for me. And then zoom in and out as normal. And left and right, the arrow keys. Right, you can use Shift F fly mode, which gives you something similar, but it's all a bit clumsy. It kind of zooms, it's got some sort of acceleration on, which is just hopeless. So let's just escape out of that. And yes, so how do you make your control system a bit more like Unity in Blender? So we're going to go up to File, User Preferences, Input. I'm going to zoom in using plus here. I can see what I'm doing. And the key is Rotate View, View 3D Rotate. So, and that will be linked, let's see, where is it? Initially to mouse, View 3D Rotate, and Alt, I think it is. So Alt and left mouse key. So I don't think they're the right ones. Scroll down. At the bottom, left mouse and you can, once you've, I've set up multiple ones for Alt key, Control key, and Shift key. You could have them all in one go. Alt, Control, Shift. They could all just be on one. I'm not sure quite why I did. Just tick the boxes there. So it's rotate view, rotate 3D dot rotate, and instead of the mouse you can change that to keyboard and then press the middle mouse button, or if your mouse button does work you can just use the middle. For some reason mine didn't, it's mapped to a different key. So that's one thing, rotate view, and that brings in when you press it, brings in a modal system, all sorts of things. Where's it going? There we go. So that was one thing, and then the arrow keys, if I can find them. Yes, are view 3D dot view underscore pan left arrow, and that causes it to pan left. That was, you copy whatever, you might be able to just get away with typing that in. I just went to wherever it was existed. I'm not finding it. View pan made it. So go back again. Yeah, so look for view pan and then copy that. Control C to copy, Control V to paste, or you can just type it in, view 3D pan, pan left, pan right, pan up, pan down. And if it doesn't work, that will be because it's conflicting with the animation frames offset in animation. So you've got to go down, find the left arrow, and I think I just changed it from just pressing the left arrow to pressing left arrow and shift, control and alt. So shift, control, left and right will push them up to will mean that you're no longer mapping just the ordinary left and right. So you really need to free up ordinary left and right. And I also did the up arrow as well. And arrow. So that frees up by going into animation frame offset frames. Well, it's just frames, I think. That allows us to, by freeing up the arrows, we can remap just to panning left and right. So view3d.view underscore pan, up arrow pans up, down arrow pans down, etc. And then you save that, save user settings, and then you can export those settings so that you can import them into other people's things. I've set up a preset with plus called Blender, but called it plus Blender keys. So now you have a choice. It shouldn't be called, should it? It should be called Unity. That's the problem. That should be called Unity keys plus Unity 1. Unity keys 1. Okay. So it's Unity keys. Okay. Let's make sure it's all still working. It hasn't forgotten anything. Even if it has forgotten it, left, take, save keys, export. Python export. Okay, and close that. Let's just make sure it's still working. Up and down left keys, right keys, and I have to use control. I was hoping just to use the middle mouse button and rotate. But I have to use control or alt to do it. And I hope that saves a lot of pain and aggravation for a lot of people. So, see you on the next lesson.